Despite how busy college may seem, you will have a lot of free time. It is for that reason that it is important to establish a daily routine and to stick to it. To the extent possible, you should strive to go to bed at the same time every day. Wake up at the same time every day. Go to campus at the same time every day. Eat your meals at the same time every day. Work out at the same time every day. And study at the same time every day. By maintaining a daily routine, you will be more productive and efficient than you would be in the absence of a routine. And you will also be able to maximize the time you have available to you. Managing your time in college is particularly important if you attend a school that is on the quarter system. In high school, you became used to 16-week semesters. At a school on the quarter system, each quarter lasts only 10 weeks and covers a comparable amount of material as a semester. The pace is fast. There is no time to waste. It is likely that you will have a reading assignment due for your first day of class and a midterm exam as early as the third week of the quarter. Within any 10-week quarter, you are likely to have a couple of midterm exams, a couple of papers, multiple reading assignments, and multiple homework assignments. And that is only for a single class. Multiply that amount of work by 3 or 4 classes per quarter, and there is a lot of work to be done. The amount of work may seem overwhelming, especially when exams and assignments from multiple classes overlap with one another. The only way to manage the workload is by effectively managing your time.